Hi guys, my name is Vlatka and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a rag rug coaster. A coaster I made using my leftover threads. Today is the Earth Day and if you already follow me on Instagram, you must have noticed I'm big on reducing waste. So reusing my leftover threads for a new project was a perfect way to celebrate this day and hopefully inspire you to do the same. This coaster's dimensions are 8 by 8 centimeters and it has 42 bass strings and 42 rows. And it can be a great gift for your loved ones or a perfect addition to your coaster collection while getting rid of your leftover threads. Now, are you ready for some knotting? Then let's begin. 42 bass strings I am using for this project are all leftover threads. And they are not the same length, but they are each approximately 30 centimeters long. First, we need to prepare our bass strings for knotting. To do so, line them up, untangle, and tape them down. Then we can begin knotting. To make the first knot, place the end of your leftover string between your index and middle finger, while you hold the first bass string with your other three fingers and make a forward knot like this. Then push the knot up with your finger. And continue making forward knots until you reach the last string, when you'll make another forward knot and cut off the rest of the leftover string, if there's enough of it left to knot another row, leaving about 3 or 4 centimeters of it at the end. Approximate length of the string you need for knotting one row is around 60 centimeters. In case one of your bass strings comes out like this, just retape it at the end and continue knotting. When you are done with one row, move to the next one. Take another leftover string and repeat the process. First, make a forward knot by putting the end of your leftover string between your index and middle finger, while you hold the first bass string with your other three fingers, and make a forward knot like this. Then, push the knot up with your finger or pull it up. And continue making forward knots until you reach the last string, when you'll make another forward knot and cut off the rest of the leftover string if there's enough of it left to knot another row, leaving about 3 or 4 centimeters of it at the end. Continue knotting as explained just now until you are satisfied with the length of your coaster. As I mentioned before, I made 42 rows for my coaster. Once you are done, you need to cut off the excess strings. To help yourself cut them off at the same length, take a piece of tape, tape it over the excess strings, and then cut them off with your scissors, like this. Repeat the same on the other 3 sides as well. Once done, straighten the strings with a comb, and that's it. Your rag rug coaster is done. This was easy, right? Do you reuse your leftover threads? If yes, let me know what you usually make out of them in the comment section below. Also, tag me on Instagram if you decide to make a coaster like this one so I can check it out. If you found this video useful, like, comment, subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Not with you next week. Bye!